Hi, welcome to the philosophical discussions on the principles of our organization for Guilds of Requiem. My name is Dr. Robin Kearney Fraser. I held a whole day degree in adult education and curriculum development for long distance learning. This episode or webinar is about an historical guild system. It's where we embrace old world traditions with the modern business model. What does this mean? Many of our gilded projects and brands are based on historically accurate reproductions, or they're influenced handcrafted merchandise, or it's a modernized concept of what we saw in the past. One of the first things that happened before even the Guilds of Requiem was Sixth Sense Apothecary. Essentially, it's our first brand. When we incorporated, we purchased Sixth Sense Apothecary from the member who had been running it, myself, since 1992. And basically, we're test piloting on, I'm going to stop. Gotta stop. What do you want?